Paramedics had to rush that family across town here to Nebraska Medical Center for hyperbaric treatment. We want to show you file video of what that looks like. We want to show you what is called a hyperbaric chamber. It's using pressurized oxygen to restore oxygen to the body and extract carbon monoxide. Omaha firefighters and other agencies had to transfer 21 people here from CHI Emmanuel early this morning to get access to that special treatment. A fire captain says there was significant language barriers this morning and required interpreters because the family is from Burma, also known as Myanmar. Investigators say they found deadly levels of carbon monoxide inside that Irvington home near 87th and Reed Streets. We're still waiting to hear back from officials about the status of that family this morning. This is all a reminder that carbon monoxide detectors save lives. Reporting live this morning, Alex McClune, KETV News Watch 7.